So this is kind of a demo recording. I'm going to go over the directions for the graphing project and also go through an example so you can see what I'm looking for. Remember, this is an assessment grade, just like we would take a test. So it is important that you complete the assignment and turn it in on time. As you can see here, this is using graphing, but also creating some art. You can see in the background there is an example of what one might look like, although yours may not look that way. At least you can see what an example would be. So the first thing that we're going to need to do is you're going to need to pick one of 3 designs. They're all a little bit different. They all range in how many lines you have to graph. So if you feel you're not as comfortable with graphing, then you could choose graphing art number 1. If you would like to have a little more challenge, then you may opt for graphing art number 3. It is your choice. Once you have completed picking out the design, the next thing to do is to complete the work page. Each graphing art design comes with a different work page. You will complete the page, and then from there you'll be ready to graph. So once you're ready to graph, you will begin by graphing each line in pencil. And you want to make sure that you label the line on the outer edges with whatever equation it is you are graphing. So let me show you an example. Let's say one of your equations is y equals 2x plus 5. So let's say you need to graph that equation. So on your graph paper, you're going to start, of course, with your y-intercept, which is 5. So on my y-axis, I'm going to start at the origin and go up 5 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to make my dot. That is your starting point, remember, when you are graphing a line. Remember also that we have to use slope. And so slope is written as a ratio. In this case, 2/1. So that means I'm going to, from this point, I'm going to go up 2 units and write 1 unit. And then I would make my next point. And I'm going to do that several times. Up 2 units, write 1 unit. Now, if I go off the page, then I'm going to have to do the exact opposite. So that means I'm going to have to start back at my starting point, and instead of going up and to the right, the exact opposite would be to go down to the left. So from the starting point again, I'm going to go down 2 and left 1, down 2, left 1. You're going to want to do that several times to make sure you have a nice line to graph. And then it's very important that you use a straight edge. Now, this could be a ruler. Most likely that would be the best option. But if you don't have a ruler, then use like the binding of your book. That is a good straight edge. Just use something you can trace along. Now, that's pretty hard for me to do here on the computer. I'm going to do my best here, but I don't have a ruler to kind of refer to for this part. So I'm just going to use something that I think is straight enough, and I would trace it all the way down across my graph. So not super great, but it's not horrible either. So let me try it one more time here and see if I can get that a little bit better, a little bit straighter. We'll see. It's not too bad. We'll just go with that. As you can see, it may take you a little bit of time to get that straight, but this would be considered the line for this equation. So there's some extra space on the outside of your drawing. So on that extra space, you would write your equation right on the line. So in this case, y equals 2x plus 5. So I would write the equation on the line. That way I know I've completed that line, and also I know that line represents that equation, so when you turn it in, I can check those pretty quickly. So you would continue in that fashion, graphing each line all on the same graph. Now, it is important that as you are graphing, let's say you've done 4 or 5 lines, it is important to have those checked. Because if you have already done the 5 wrong, then that's something that needs to be corrected. So please make sure that you've checked a few with either a friend who knows how to do graph pretty comfortably, or check with me, because I want to make sure that you're doing it right before you do the whole project, okay? Now, when you finished all of your lines on the same graph paper, then I would like you to color it and go over your lines in black. Make sure all the lines have been labeled with the equations so that it's very clear. The coloring can be your choice. It's kind of supposed to look like a stained glass, so some type of color design that you pick. You do need to use multiple colors, so please choose more than 2 colors. Let's say 3 to 5 colors would be good as you're creating your design. And make sure that you have that design completed by November 20th. So you have some time to work on it. Everybody has a weekend to work on it. And also I'm giving you work days when you're at home. So just be aware that even though we may not always have time to do this in class, you have work time either at home or in class when we have extra time for work. So again, here's kind of an example of what one design might look like. Notice that they went over the lines in black ink. They also made their points larger. Notice there's an equation for each line on the outside because you have space around the outside. And notice they've created kind of a colorful pattern. Again, you need to use more than 2 colors. So try to create a pattern out of 3 or 4 colors as you're creating your design. And on November 20th, you will turn in your work page, and then you will also turn in your graphing design. So just be aware that will be due, and it will be for an assessment grade, okay? If you have any other questions, feel free to email me or ask me in class. Remember that it needs to be checked as you go so that you know you're doing it correct. And as I said, I'll look at a couple of lines. I'm not going to look at all of them. I just want to at least make sure that you understand and have a good idea of what you're doing before you finish the whole project. Okay? Okay. So get started.